I'm currently in Kuala Belait and I'm in front of the Sea View Hotel here in KB. In this video, I'm gonna show you why every time I come to KB, I always stay in this hotel. Let's go and check in. Hello. So this is the room. Let's take the mask off. Most important thing is look at the view. Gonna check out the facilities or restaurants around this hotel. So this is the poolside. Hopefully there's no sand flies. These are made by the crabs. Wow, it's lovely. That is the South China Sea. This is one of the reasons why I like to stay in this hotel, because it's just next to the beach. Another sign here, you have to watch out. I'm gonna get something to drink. There is also a supermarket. I'm gonna grab something to drink. Okay, I just got myself a milk tea. And I'm gonna have it in the room now. I think it's gonna rain. I'm gonna have this drink first. Later on, I'm gonna go downstairs for dinner. See ya. I don't think I'm going out tonight, but to stay inside the hotel area because there is a gusty winds outside now. Oh, the chicken feet. restaurant. drinks is free flow, so I'm gonna get the drinks. Got the cup. I just ordered the Jamaican chicken with Portuguese rice and garbanzo salad. Finish my dinner and now heading back. The sun had just come out and it looks like a beautiful day, so I'm gonna go down to have some breakfast. Just order the croissant treat, which is a chocolate croissant and some coffee. I really need the morning coffee. Croissant and coffee. Another reason why I'm staying in this hotel is that there is a restaurant next door. It's about 2 minutes walk. Just order fried mee chicken, the normal one, and the tasty. Just finished my lunch here at Indaramai. So should I go somewhere else after this? Today is a beautiful day. It's my checkout day. The reason why I like to stay at Seaview Hotel is that there are many restaurants around the hotel, and I've just shown you quite a few restaurants that I've gone to. So if that is not enough, there is still a Starbucks across the road. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.